You're not behind. Seriously. Why everyone is panicking about AI taking over? Here's the truth. If you learn to work with AI instead of worrying about it, you'll be way further than others. Hey everyone, Alex here, and in this video I'll show you how to become AI native. Not a programmer, not a technical person, but just someone who uses AI as its second nature. And you don't need to know everything, just the right things. I'm gonna cover 6 practical things you can do starting today. Nothing overwhelming, just stuff that actually works. First thing, stop chasing every new AI tool. I know, there's new tool every day, but here's reality. Most of these tools are super niche. They solve one specific problem really well, but that's it. For 90% of what you need, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek or Gemini will do just fine. Pick one you like and stick with it. Don't worry about your favorite getting old. There are billion-dollar companies competing to make their AI the best. I personally use ChatGPT for most basic things and Claude when I want some higher quality. But honestly, they're all pretty good now, so just pick one and get comfortable with it. Second, text expanders. This is such simple hack that saves tons of time. Tools like A-Text let you type shortcuts that expand into full text. Type in email and getting your full email address, or type in mail writer and getting prompt snippets that will make your LLM perfect email writer. No need to retype the same instructions over and over. Third, if you have recurring tasks, automate them. There are tons of free tools for this. N8N, Make, Zapier, they all have free tiers. You can automate emails, customer responses, AI news summaries that will be sent to your Telegram or Discord, and many other automations. Each automation takes few minutes to set up and saves about 30 minutes daily, so why you're not automating it? You don't need to be technical. These tools are drag and drop, and if you're interested in making your own automations, check my video on email automation with N8N. Fourth, and this is crucial, stay updated without getting overwhelmed. AI moves fast, you need to keep up, but you can't read everything, right? You'll burn out and waste too much time. Here's what I recommend you to do. Follow 2-3 YouTubers or maybe newsletters or podcasts and stop this automation I mentioned to summarize everything. Pick sources carefully, quality over quantity. You don't want to be overwhelmed by tons of channels each shouting about some random AI tool that you won't even use. Spend a few minutes to a few hours weekly, learning something new or implementing something you heard about. Doesn't have to be huge, 20 minutes is just enough to play around some new tool you're genuinely interested in. Small consistent progress beats trying to learn everything at once. Plus, it's actually much better for you when you're not stressed about keeping up. And the last one, I know it's trivial, but learn prompt engineering. This is how some people get 10x better results from AI. It's not magic, just being clear about what you want. Giving examples, asking some specific formats. I actually have video on prompt engineering too, so check it out if you haven't mastered it yet. But seriously, good prompts make a huge difference. Look, the best time to plant a tree was yesterday. But the second best time is now, so just get started. Those people who seem way ahead of you started just like you, but a bit earlier. They stayed consistent and became AI native. It's not so hard as it may seem. If you want more practical AI-focused content, just hit that subscribe button and drop a comment what will you do first to become AI native. See you in the next one!